Welcome to Rojas Boulevard. Rojas Boulevard is a popular waterfront promenade in Manila, in the Philippines. The boulevard, which runs along the shore of Manila Bay, is well known for its sunsets and stretch of coconut trees. The divider roadway had become a trademark of Philippine tourism, famed for its yacht club, hotels, and restaurants. Because of the ambience of the place and most especially the breathtaking view of the sunset that the tourists love. What are you waiting for? Come and visit Rojas Boulevard. Thank you.